All right, y'all, so I'm about to extract. Whoa, coconut. So I often place coconuts and things out here, not even knowing.
Wow, coconut! Look what we found in our banana plant. Oh, we don't plant this, baby. This is nice, y'all. Look at
Coconut tree, nice root system form. This is what you want, y'all. You want a healthy, lively coconut tree. You want to place them somewhere where the roots have ample ability to grow and to spread so your coconut trees can thrive. See, happy roots, happy tree. Nice planting. Keep growing. Thank y'all for tuning in.